Can we actually colonize the moon? And what will we need to survive? Let's find out the answers in this video. Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, we explore different, fun, and intuitive science questions every single week. So let's get right into the video. So, first off, the moon is our own planet's natural satellite, and it's around 1/4 the size of Earth. The moon could fit around 1.5 trillion people, but that would just be if we all stood shoulder to shoulder. But realistically, the moon could comfortably inhabit around 400 million people. There are still so many fundamental problems that we would have to solve in order to inhabit the moon. First off, we would need to make breathable air, but that would be a surprisingly easy task, because the moon's lunar soil already contains around 45% oxygen. So in theory, by heating up the oxygen-infused lunar dust with calcium chloride to about 950 degrees Celsius, we could use an electrical current to separate the oxygen from the other substances that we don't need. Although this technology works, air is only composed of 21% oxygen, and most of it is actually nitrogen. So to create the same atmosphere like on Earth, we would have to find other ways to produce the other gases present in air. Using this technology, we could create breathable air and keep on recycling and refiltering to get rid of the carbon dioxide that we exhale. This filtration process is currently being used in the International Space Station to keep the astronauts alive. The other three main problems would be creating a supply of drinkable water, creating a long-term power supply, and also creating shelter that will both contain a suitable environment for living and also protect us from the harmful rays in outer space. To solve the problem of water, we could melt the ice on the moon that forms when the moon's surface is facing away from the sun and purify it so that it can be drinkable water. We could also purify our own pee to generate even more water for agriculture. Creating a long-term power supply would not be that challenging, as we could create a ring of solar power cells around the equator. We could also harness the energy of cosmic rays and X-rays to power our needs. It would also be possible for us to store this power in efficient power batteries so that we have a backup power supply if we need it. Lastly, we would need shelter to trap the air and temperature inside, whilst also shielding us from the deadly rays in space and the heat from our sun. To get around this, we could form a rigid structure that would both insulate us from the high and low temperatures on the moon and also protect us from the harmful cosmic background radiation in space. The moon is a great place to colonize because it's the closest body of matter to Earth, so transporting items would not be such a long process. Although this transition could take lots of time, it would be a great advancement in human history. Comment down below any questions that you might have, and I'll answer to every single one of them. Also, if you have any future video ideas that you would like to see on this channel, please feel free to write them in the comment section as well. Check out my Instagram and Facebook links down below so you don't miss on my content, as I'll be posting when my videos go live. If you, yes you, want to explore even more questions like this, then please consider subscribing, liking the video, and ringing that bell, because it really helps grow my channel. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another one. Bye!